Alright guys, welcome back to True Boys RC. Today we got that 2019 Arrma Outcast, baby. BLX 6S. Let's go. So let's get it open, baby. Let's get this thing cracking. But before we do this, I want to give a shout out to Flash Hobbies. Shout out to Green Frog RC. Shout out to RC iCourt. Shout out to Kevin RC and Music. Shout out to Bearded RC. Shout out to XD40 Lewis RC. Shout out to RC Addict RO. Shout out to Armorholic 83. Shout out to That's Just Nasty. Shout out to Filthy Co and RC. Shout out to Tracks Arm RC. Shout out to Buy It, Break It, Fix It, my brother. Shout out to the Tank RC, baby. Shout out to RC Bros. Shout out to Will Movic. Shout out to Overkill RC, baby. Shout out to Shins RC. Alright guys, I think that's it for right now. But we gonna keep it going. Cause we gotta get it in, baby. And go ahead and unbox this thing. Which we already did. So we gonna take this out. You know what we do with that? We throw it on. Yes, sir. Look at that beautiful, beautiful truck. Got your standard tool pack. Manual instructions. Extra body clips and stuff. Let's get that out of the way. It's time to get it, baby. Y'all already know it. It's time to get it, baby. So we're gonna pop in our battery, turn on the remote, and we finna get a couple rips down the street, man. It's very hot out here. Check that out. Nice chassis brace. Yeah, standard motor and ESC. And guys, for you guys that don't know that has the 2019, these plugs will work. Let's check it out. Yeah, baby, yes, sir. So we're gonna strap this thing in, get it in for a few minutes, man. First thing you wanna do, turn on your remote. Remote's on, power. Yes, sir. Okay. Do the steering trim. Put it in the middle. Throttle rate is up. Steering rate is up. Okay. Guys, this remote has a steering rate and a throttle rate. Put this lid on. Let's get ready to. Let's get it in, baby. Big block in the back. Big block. You don't want to race the Outcast though. You don't want to do nothing with the Outcast, bruh. Yeah, Outcast, get on you out here. Hey, we're gonna try not to bust this up right now, man. You know me, I tell everything that I ride. Hopefully we don't. I'm just gonna give it a couple whips up down the street. It's very hot out here, man. 2019, man, that thing already feels so good. Oh. Gonna turn the throttle rate down, y'all. That's up too high. Okay. Alright. There we go, guys. We got that 2019 Arrma Outcast, baby. Gonna get it in a little bit. It's so sunny out here, bruh. Can't see nothing. Uh-oh. Go ahead, Outcast. Uh-oh. How fast you go down? Get down there. Count of 2. 1, 2, 3. Uh-oh. Oh yeah, out there. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's so cool. Yeah, we just wanted to break it out today, man. We're gonna end up taking this to the skate park. so much power. Hey, listen, the Outcast has so much power that when you give it gas, it come up, you let it back down, and smash the gas again, that Outcast keep going. And so hot out here. Alright, let's check this out. Sorry about that. Outcast, let's go, baby. Uh-oh, you know, flipped on the lid already. Y'all know what time it is. Let's go, Outcast. Back tires, boy, I ain't bullshit. Let's go, baby. You can't check my new camera, Outcast, now. Let's go, baby. Now it's time to play, baby. Oh, hit myself. We having fun with Outcast, baby. Hope y'all see this. It's all about the lighting, baby. Let's play, Outcast. Right into the frame. Dang it. I think I could do the wheelie challenge with this. Let's see. Let's go, Outcast. Let's go, baby. Man, that thing got some hit, boy. It's 2019, Outcast ain't playing around. Oh! Go, baby. All right, all right. Catwalk out on. Yeah. How about that? Let's get back here. We ain't trying to get ran over. I had 2 cars back in the days, y'all. And I had just bought one and ran the other one over quick. I'm not trying to do that, bro. No way. Uh-oh. Look. He gone. He gone. He gone. Yes, sir. Oh, y'all got luck. Y'all went in somebody's yard. Yeah, he coming back. Throttle rate was up too high. It was up too high. I could hear I'm finna turn it down some. Let me see. Throttle rate, turn it down. All right, let's go, baby. All right, you gotta come back here. You gotta come back here, baby. Y'all gotta come back here, baby. All right, you gotta wheel it after the car now. Come on now. Oh, you tripping. Now you don't want to turn, huh, with your ugly butt. RC cars don't never do what you want them to do they? Uh-oh. Hey, we should do a speed test on here, boy. I got the speed test in the house, too. I gotta find me some straps, though, to go on it. On the count of 3, we're gonna go. 1, 2, 3. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Y'all see it? Y'all see it? I hope y'all see it, boy. Yes, sir. Uh-oh. I can't even see. Oh, okay. You want me to go on that side? Thank you, man. So we got great neighbors, man. Catwalk beside them. Yes, sir. Come on, Outcast. Let's do it, baby. Let's go catch him. With the wheelie. Go catch him with the wheelie. Ain't gonna happen. He too far. Man, that bitch spooling so fast, though. Hey, guess what? We finna send his mug on the first day opening the pack, boy. We finna send him. What's up? What y'all wanna do? Y'all wanna send Outcast? 2019 Outcast finna go. In the air. Hey, I want to tell y'all thank you too, man, because I appreciate that last night. I was on live. Man, y'all showed love, bro, for real. Y'all showed so much love, man, and I appreciate that. Y'all don't even understand, man, how much I appreciate y'all. I'm quite sure y'all do, because y'all all great people, man. That's what I like about our community, man. We got some great people in our community. Go out there. Hey. Oh shoot, I ain't even hear a car back there. Now I'm finna catwalk behind you now since you wanna come up on my Outcast like that. We'll run up under you, boy. Don't play with me. We'll get a ticket how fast we going. Look, speed limit 25, boy. We doing the dash. You dig? I'ma tell y'all now, boy, we see the popo coming. We hauling butt now. Outcast gotta get loose, boy. Oh, don't be scared. We just gonna wheel it behind you. Not really. Uh-oh. Going, gone. We should take the Outcast on the dirt street. Oh! Let's go, baby. doing a wheelie in the grass, bro. Hey, we're gonna have a grass wheelie competition going on. This thing grass, man. This thing grass, man. I'm in love with it. Beast mode. Look at that. Look at that. Nasty, that's a look. Hey, look, Outcast on the ground, baby.